Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to be confident that your projects are going to hold, then check out this Loctite 243 thread locker. So this is a this 10 milliliter bottle of Loctite is awesome because this helps to be sure that your fasteners are going to stay in place. And that is important, especially when you're working on automotive projects and things like that, where you really need to be sure that these are going to stay in place. So this is designed for threaded fasteners between 1/4 and 3/4 of an inch. Super simple to use. You just put a little bit onto the fastener before you put it on, and then you're good to go. So this will lock and seal those fasteners and also protect against contaminants on the surface. So this will just make sure that you have a super secure fit on those fasteners and it is sealed and not going anywhere. This bottle has lasted for several years because a little bit really goes a long way. So it's also a great value because it lasts for such a long time. So if you're looking for a super tight awesome seal on your fasteners, then definitely check out this Loctite. That's my point of view.